Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi using Indian cabbage. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh, firm Indian cabbage. Quarter the cabbage lengthwise, then chop it into 2-inch pieces. Next, prepare a brining solution. Combine 1/4 cup of salt with 4 cups of water. Submerge the chopped cabbage in this solution and let it brine for approximately 2 hours. This step is crucial for tenderizing the cabbage and drawing out excess moisture, preparing it perfectly for fermentation. Now let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. In a large bowl, combine 1/4 cup of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together until well combined. Finally, mix in 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and 2 tablespoons of shredded carrot. This vibrant paste is the heart of your delicious kimchi. After brining, thoroughly rinse the cabbage under cold running water to remove excess salt, then drain it very well. Now, it's time to combine the cabbage with our flavorful paste. In a large bowl, gently massage the kimchi paste into the cabbage, ensuring every single piece is evenly coated. This hands-on step is essential for infusing all the flavors. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. To begin fermentation, leave your jar of kimchi at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Taste it daily to achieve your preferred level of sourness. Once it reaches your desired flavor, transfer the kimchi to the refrigerator. Refrigeration slows down the fermentation process, preserving its delicious taste and texture. Your homemade Indian cabbage kimchi can be stored in the refrigerator for up to several weeks, ready to enjoy whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.